Tava pa question number 20. Simsec June 1999 paper 1 ordinary level mathematics. Question yedu iri kuti take pi to be 22/7. The diagram shows a pattern used in dressmaking. It consists of 6 equal circles of radius 3,5 centimeters inscribed in a rectangle. The sides of the rectangle are tangents to the circles which touch other circles as shown. A. Calculate the area of the rectangle. Saka kana tichida calculate the area of the rectangle, tofanira tanga taziva kuti area tinoiwana sei. Saka we know that area of rectangle, the area of the rectangle is equal to length times width. Saka toda kuziva the length, which will be kubva panapa kunobata panapa. This is going to be our length. Then the width kubva pano bata panapa. This is going to be our width. Saka tinowana sei length. Taudzwa isusu kuti the radius of each circle is equal to 3,5 centimeters. Zvataurwa pa this sentence yakanzi it consists of 6 equal circles of radius 3,5 centimeters inscribed in a circle. By radius tikureva kubva pasenda pesircle kunobata ku circumference. It's going to be 3,5 centimeters. Kubva pasenda zvakare kunobata ku circumference. It's going to be another 3,5 centimeters. And we know 3,5 centimeters plus 3,5 centimeters is going to be 7 centimeters. Kureva kuti the diameter of each circle is 7 centimeters. Saka kubva panapa kunobata pa circumference panapa chifura nepasenda it's 7 centimeters. Kubva pano kunobata pa the other end of the circumference chifura nepasenda it's 7 centimeters. So our length is going to be equal to 7 centimeters apa plus 7 is which is 7, 14, 21. It's going to be 21 centimeters. Multiplying what is going to be our width. So achashandisa the same logic since taudzwa kuti these circles they are equal. Saka kubva this part of the circumference kunobata the other end through the center it's 7 centimeters. Saka kubva pano through the center unobata panapa it's also 7. Kureva iko kuti our width is going to be 7 times 2, 7 plus 7, which is 14. Then let us calculate 21 multiplying 14, kuti tiwane the area of the rectangle. So 0, 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 2, the 2, 4 times 1, the 4, 4 times 2, the 8, tika 0 plus 4, the 4, 1 plus 8, the 9, and 2 plus 0, the 2. So this is going to be our answer. 294 square centimeters. Saka tapedza part A of our question. I really hope kuti mabata logic yatashandisa kutsvaga the length nekutsvaga the width uchishandisa ma diameter or ma radius ema circles edu ari mukati me this rectangle. Statement iyi rakakosha zvisingaitira kupedzisira rakanzi the sides of the rectangle are tangents to the circles which touch other circles as shown. That's why tava confident kubva pa this part chinobata panapa we have 21, then kubva pano chinobata panapa we have 14. Let us attempt part B. Part B yakanzi the area of the shaded region. Saka kuti calculate the area of the shaded region, area of shaded region is equal to, saka into shaded region pakaiswa this I think it's black, this dark color, the shaded region. So to calculate this area, tichati area of rectangle minus kana subtracting total area of circles, saka kana tikatora area yerectangle yese tosubtracta area each circle, total area yemacircles edu ese ari 6, obviously tichasara tine area of the shaded region. Tambucalculate the area of the rectangle tikawana 294, subtracting takuda kutsvaga the total area of the circles, so let us come here tichadzoka duku. Tinoziva isusu kuti area of a circle, the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared, and the question yedu yataura beforehand pana this statement, once take pi to be 22/7, so area of a circle is going to be equal to 22/7 r squared. Chinonzi r iradius, tatodzwa pa this sentence kuti radius yedu is 3.5 centimeters. Kureva kuti we are going to subtract area of one circle, which is 22/7 multiplying 3.5 squared. But we know kuti tine how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles, and taudzwa kuti ma circles aya they are equal. Kureva kuti panapa we have to multiply with 6. That's why that total area of circles, kureva kuti area yema circles edu ese takaiunganidza. Sanga tisolve itoni. Saka 294 subtracting 22/7 times, let us find out kuti 3.5 squared amborani. Saka ngatire panapa 3.5 squared, it's 3.5 times 3.5. So here we have 0 as a placeholder. 3 times 5 into 15, carry 1, 3 times 3 into 9 plus 1 to 10, 5 times 5 into 25, carry 2, 5 times 3 into 15, 16, 17. We add 0 plus 5 into 5, 7 plus 5 into 12, to carry 1, then 0 plus 1 to 1 plus 1 to 2, and then 1. How many decimal places? 1, 2, 1, 2. Brought panapa, it's 12.25. 12.25 times 6. Remember, this is paper 1, saka there is no calculator. We are not going to use the calculator. So tiri panapa takuda kuziva isusu, maybe let us multiply 12.25 times 6. Chat 6 times 5 into 30, carry 3, 6 times 2 into 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 to carry 1, 6 times 2 into 12 plus 1 to 13 to carry 1, 6 times 1 to 6 plus 1, we have 7, 1, 2 decimal places, so 1, 2. Sapana pattern is 73.50. There one from multiplying 12.25 times 6, so we can as well multiply 22. Kuti multiply my numerators edu ese 0, 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 5 into 10 to carry 1, 2 times 3 into 6 plus 1, 7, and 2 times 7, 14, 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 5, 10 to carry 1. 2 times 3 the 6 plus 1, 7. And 2 times 7 the 14. 0 plus 0 the 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 7 the 7. 7 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11 the 11. 5 plus 1, 6, then 1. 1 2 decimal places, 1 2 decimal places. Kureva kutitana 16, 17. So here we now have 294 minus 16, 17 divided by 7. 7 anonopinda here. Let us try. That 7 into 7 d1. 7 into 16 d2. 14, 15, 16. Without carrying 2 panapa. Then that is 7 into 21. 7, 14, 21 d3. And then 7 into 7 d1. Sakatavana 294 subtracting 231. Then of course 4 minus 1 d3. 9 minus 3 d6. And 2 minus 2 d0. Saka our final answer is going to be 63 square centimeters. This is how we calculate it. Saka just as a recap, zvataita panapa, what is most important kuziva iko kuti tiwane the area of the shaded region, tofanirwa kutanga taziva the area of the rectangle, then we subtract the area of the total circles, which are 6. So it's important kugona this part so that we can apply what we got by this part to be. But chirukatadzako a arithmetic error, or it's an error of omission, it's an error of commission, watadza kuwana a correct answer by a. If you know that the area of the shaded region is going to be the area of the rectangle subtracting the total area of the circle, of the circles, and you indicate this is a very important relationship, and is often go to nyorwa. They can carry over the error. Right panapa tokutonga wana 200. Wozoshandisa 200 panapa minus total area of circles. They can still mark by B as correct because one way to carry over the error. So this is some of the things they do, but it's just important, equally important to go to A so that is going to B. This is going to be our explanation of question number 20. If you have any questions pertaining question number 20, you can ask in the comment section. If you have any other questions, ordinary level mathematics, either CIMSEC or Cambridge, you can still ask in the comment section. Thank you.